In the video that I showed starting building the anchor post for the hay barn, this is where I'm starting off again. Sandblasting right now, cleaning all the metal so that it's clean and I can get ready for paint. I'm just going to put a red primer on it. The sandblasting that I did is with Black Magic. I get it at Menards, and when I blasted the metal, you can see in some locations it's a little bit whiter looking. That's because that's what it's supposed to look like, but I didn't do it that thorough. And I blowed it down real good, got all the dust off of it, and then washed it with lacquer thinner. So there's a three pass. It's a root and then 2 on top for a fillet. And these I just put 2 passes on. They're not super nice, but they're going to hold. They're going to be in the concrete. Start painting. What I'm using is red Rust-Oleum primer, oil base. And I'm thinking about putting some white over it. See how it looks. Like any type of spray painting, put a light coat on first is what I did. Got all 6 of them lightly coated, and then I put a second coat on it. The reason I welded that rebar to the column, it's so that it hooks onto the concrete when it's down into the ground. And I'm not going to put any white paint on it. This is good enough. That stuff's thick. It's good to go. Okay, while that paint's drying, I need to clean up an area that's kind of like a compost area. It's where I've been throwing away a lot of hay that's gone bad. And I need to clean these trees up. Cut a bunch of them down, and I'm collecting the trunk of it and the tree part. I'm going to pile this all up and then come in here and mow this down. And after I get all this done, it's time to get ready to mow hay. Quit raining and I got to get to it. There's a chance of rain Saturday into Sunday morning. 25% chance, but it says participation 0. That's what I'm gambling on right now. So this field here is all fescue and a little bit of Timothy. And I want to cut it a little bit higher. It's about 4 inches higher than normally getting down there lower to the ground. There's areas here that's low that it's still wet. This is the first cutting of June 7th is today. So got the mower fixed. The skirt on the back was falling off of it, and got it on there, looking better. The tractor's running good. I just don't mind it if there's clouds. It's kind of good with the cooler weather. It makes that hay still stay green looking, and it doesn't dry it out real fast. It really is good hay if it doesn't get rained on at all with this temperature. It makes really good hay. So hope for the best. some fescue and lose some orchard. We got in here by accident. But I'll take it. I had decided to only mow about 5 acres. The weather apps kept saying that there was going to be, a 30%, 40% chance of rain, but like very minimal participation of rain. But it scared me, so I only mowed 5 acres and waited until the next day, which was Saturday. Well, it's the next day and night. They finally lifted all the rain. Well, it's not 10 o'clock yet, but according to one of the apps, over a 6-hour period, it's not supposed to do any rain. So I'm out here. It's not bad. I just gotta watch out for possibly, I know there's a doe out here with a fawn. I gotta watch out. I know for a fact. I seen it this morning on the other side of the pond. So I gotta be careful. I'm gonna mow into the night a little bit. There's only about 5 acres here. So the little sickle bar mower, it takes a little bit longer to mow than a rotary disc, but it gets the job done. There's the baby deer in the middle of the picture off to the left. I had to watch these guys and not hit anything. It took off running around the end rows and back into the woods. The next day, I found this hiding in my windrow.
Hey, buddy. Hey, little one. Hi, little one. Where's Mommy at? Where's Mommy? Better go hide. Go hide.
Started off a little bit early, and not all the mowing finally finished. We got maybe a half a tenth of rain. They were calling for Saturday night, Sunday early morning to get, anywhere from 2 to 4 tenths, but wound up getting less than half a tenth. So that was in the middle of the night, dried off quick. So I've been out here raking. So, got about 50 bales put together right now, and accumulator. Let you guys watch the rest of it. This tractor is only a 72 horsepower at the PTO, and this baler and the accumulator system together, I do believe it's requiring about an 85 horse tractor minimum. So the RPMs are up high on it, if you notice. The reason why it needs the horsepower is the hydraulics. That Holscher accumulator in the back requires the hydraulics. When it lifts that bed up, you'll notice the RPMs coming down a little bit. It bogs it down. Okay, you see the arm come up and it came back down and it hit that bale coming out of the chute and busted that string. I have been having problems with the knotter. Those knotters have to be perfectly clean. And there's a retrofit for that arm on the accumulator that is spring-loaded and it backs away when that bale gets too close. But I probably need to get another bale stop on the back of the wagon. And in the future, I want to get that retrofit arm that goes on that accumulator. But those are the aggravating things that happens. The hydraulics on it as well. I have a smaller tractor and the hydraulics get warm and it gets a little goofy sometimes. That activating arm in the back sometimes works and sometimes it don't. And I guess there's a cooling system that needs to be put in there and it keeps that hydraulics cooled down. After cleaning everything out of the way, in the back there, on the right back corner of this picture, there's an arm. Looks like a flag. And the hay bales push it, and it activates a cylinder that activates the pushover arm that you've seen push the bales onto the bed. There's a lot of things that I can get for this system that will help it perform better. I'm learning how to use it, but these systems, I don't care what accumulator you get, they're very expensive, and I've got this one used, and I'm trying to make it work better and better each time I use it every year, and I'm thankful I got it. Well, everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked this video, if it's been helpful in any way, please hit the like button. And so if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future videos. The next video, we're going to talk about the 1209 mower conditioner. Show you what happened to it. It was in a different field after baling this one. But thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.